Okay, part 7, how to make a graph. So pay attention, you have already finished table 1, table 2, right now the third tables, but we just want to use the yellow thingy. So just copy paste, control C, sorry, we just copy paste one by one, control C, sorry, only the value, and go to the third page, step 3, making graph, and then you just control V, and then for this one control C. Now for this one you have to use paste spatial, so only use the values. Okay, and it will become something like that, and then you can like rearrange a little bit, just make it in the middle. And then for this one, please only make 2 decimal points, so go to the decrease decimal and make it only 2 decimal points. And then the relative uncertainty also, control copy, go to the name, and then you just, oh yeah, sorry, paste spatial and then values. And then make sure if you want to make it the colors, it's okay, but if you want to just make no fill, you just go to put it the no fill thingy. And then the title, it's 1.3. So 1.3, the effect of your IDV, for me is temperature, to the molarity or the concentration. It's okay, you can pick whatever you want. Concentration, in the bracket molarity of hydrochloric acid. Okay, so after you have already made the table, so we are going to make the graph. So go to insert and then find the scatter plot or bubble chart, and then find the scatter plot with smooth lines and markers. Click it, put it beside, and then it will show something like this. Or you can go to the chart design, this one, chart design, and then select data. Now in the select data, you have to find the add in here. Now there are 3 columns, 3 boxes: series name, X, and Y value. Before that, I have to explain. X refers to your IDV and Y refers to your DV. In this part is temperature, and then this one is hydrochloric acid molarity. So you can double click in here, go to the chart design, select data, again select data, add series name, you just ignore. For the X value, you click the arrow, and then pick the value of temperature, and then put it down, click the down arrow. For the Y series, you just delete, click the arrow, and then find the molarity. Oh, this one is the molarity. Remember, yeah, do not pick different value. Okay, and then you just click OK. So this is your table, this is your graph, sorry. Now for this one, it's not completely yet, so you have to double click it and go to the add chart element, okay, in the corner, and then put it, just go to the axis titles, click the horizontal and also the vertical, and then you can see there are new things in here, which is you have to put the title of every variables. So this one we call it sorry, I will draw it first. So this one is X, this one is Y. Okay, so I have to change the X with the, now sorry, I will delete this one. I have to change the axis title of X with the temperature. Don't forget to put the degree Celsius, the unit, and also for this one we have to put concentration of hydrochloric acid, and then put it the unit mole decimeter to the power of -3. I suggest you not to use capital M because it's not scientific. So use the small decimeter to the power of -3. Chart title, you just copy paste the title that you have already put it in this one, in this table. But in this one you have to put graph 1 dot and then control paste. So you produce this graph. It's still not complete yet because you have to go to the double click again, sorry, at chart element, go to the trend line and then pick linear, and then did you see there is a dash line? Okay, dash line, and then go to trend line again, more trend line option, and then pick the histogram, this one, and then you checklist the display equation and display r square. Okay, and then you got the numbers. And after that, it's not done yet, of course. You have double click at chart element, go to the error bars, and then click the standard error. And then you will see there are like a plus sign, right? So this one, the horizontal one represent the absolute the uncertainty of the temperature, and then the vertical one itu represent the uncertainty of the concentration or the molarity. So we just click the horizontal first, double click it, and then go to the histogram, this one, and then click custom, and then you have to click the specify value. Okay, so positive error, because we click the horizontal one, so it means it refers to the temperature. So you have to find the uncertainty of temperature, or this one, yeah. So click the arrow, delete first, and then select the data for the certainty of your IDV. Then click the arrow again, select the same value, and then after that you click OK. Now, you cannot see, it's so very small, the error bars. That's good. For the vertical one, you click it again, go to double click, sorry, go to the histogram thingy, click custom, and then specify, because this is the represent the uncertainty of the concentration or molarity. So you have to select the relative uncertainty of molarity, and then the other one, delete this one, and then select the data, this one, and then you put it. Okay, so did you see it sounds good? It looks so good because the uncertainty is not it's invisible. It means your error bar is so small. If you want to make it a little bit small, the marker, you can click the marker, double click it, and then go to the painter here, and then wait a minute, the markers here, and then you can marker option, and then built in, and then you can adjust the size. Right now I just adjust the first one, so it means I have to click it, and then marker option, built in, and then 3. Okay, so at least you see a little bit the uncertainty, the error bars, but only for the horizontal one, right? So it means the vertical is too small. Okay, I think that's all for the how to make the graph, because the graph has already one more thing, because this one is too big, the space is too big, so you can start to a little bit to arrange. You can go to, wait a minute, I forgot, grid lines, no access, no, maybe in here, but never mind, I think just leave it. Okay, thank you.